Looking for the best mechanical keyboard in every budget? Let's test 3 top picks. First up, the Redragon K671. At just $25.49, this is a steal. You get tactile mechanical switches, RGB lighting, and solid build quality. Perfect for beginners or budget gamers. But yeah, don't expect premium feel at this price. Next, the AULA F75 Pro. Now we're talking balance. At $63.99, you get a compact design, smooth typing, and better key quality. Great for both gaming and productivity. This one hits the sweet spot. Finally, the Logitech MX Mechanical. At $170.99, this is premium. Low-profile keys, ultra-smooth typing, and pro-level build quality. Perfect for creators, professionals, and serious users. So, budget, mid-range, or premium? Which one are you picking? Links are in the description.